Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send Amazon gift card to another country. Alright, let's begin. First of all, visit the Amazon website corresponding to the recipient's country. Then, sign into your Amazon account or create one in the recipient's Amazon region. Next, navigate to the gift card section, usually found in the header or under accounts list, and choose the option for a digital or e-gift card, typically sent via email. After that, select a design for the digital gift card and choose the desired amount. Then, enter the recipient's email address accurately where the digital gift card details will be sent, and also personalize the gift card with a message if desired. Next, add the gift card to your card and proceed to checkout. Finally, enter your payment details to complete the purchase. Note that both you and the recipient will receive confirmation emails with the recipient getting instructions on how to redeem the gift card. So that's basically how you can send Amazon gift card to another country. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks,